Number 26 on our house inspection checklist talks about pipes that are sticking out of the ground. You might have a gas pipe or an electrical conduit that's sitting right on top of the ground, or maybe it was buried in the ground, but due to soil erosion problems, now it's sticking up, or it's accessible. So there are certain building code requirements that require gas pipes and electrical pipes, conduits, to be buried a certain depth in the ground. So you might want to check with your local building department for more information about that. But I do know that they're not allowed to be sitting right on top of the ground. And again, maybe they are if they're in a certain type of pipe. But the main point is we don't want to be looking at pipes running across our property. So any pipes that are sticking up or visible and they might not meet local building codes should be addressed. Any issues like that should be addressed. If you have a metal gas pipe, there's a good chance that it's going to start corroding if it's in moist soil over a long period of time. So, and the same thing with sprinkler pipes. I don't know how many times I've seen sprinkler pipes that are 3 or 4 inches in the ground and eventually get a few soil problems. Someone goes through there with a weed eater and pretty soon you got a broken sprinkler pipe. So again, inspect your property for any visible pipes that are sticking out of the ground or attached to the building incorrectly. So not everything is allowed to be attached to your building and meet all of the local building codes. So for more information on that, contact your local building department to find out how these things should be addressed, these issues.
If you own a house, you should inspect it regularly. But how can you inspect a home if you don't know what to look for? If you're not looking for a complicated checklist or something that wasn't written in a language that you can't understand anyway, do yourself a favor and visit this website today. The most valuable investment you have must be protected and inspected.